Disadvantages of filing for divorce first. Filing for divorce is a significant decision that touches finances, routines, and emotions. Initiating the case can set a combative tone that sharpens conflicts and makes negotiations more difficult. It also places pressure on the petitioner to move the case forward. Understanding the implications before filing helps you make an informed choice. Texas follows a no-fault divorce principle, allowing couples to end a marriage without proving wrongdoing. The most common ground is insupportability, meaning the marriage has become insupportable due to discord or conflict of personalities. Texas is a community property state, so most property acquired during marriage is considered community property and must be divided in a just and right manner. Because property division, temporary orders, and custody issues vary by case, consulting a lawyer helps you navigate your specific circumstances. To initiate a divorce in Texas, at least one spouse must have lived in the state for 6 months and in the county for at least 90 days. The petitioner files an original petition for divorce, then serves the respondent through a process server or sheriff. The respondent has about 20 days to answer. Courts do not automatically grant the petitioner's requests. They must ensure a fair division of property and appropriate orders for any children. Initiating a divorce has immediate financial consequences. Filing fees in Bexar County are $350 for cases without children and $401 with children. Service of process and private process server fees are additional. While relatively small, these expenses matter when deciding who should file first. Filing first can also lead to higher legal costs because you may need to retain an attorney earlier to draft documents. A surprised spouse might respond defensively, leading to a more contentious and costly case. Temporary living expenses, new household items, and utilities can add financial strain. Filing first carries specific legal disadvantages. It reveals your intentions and gives your spouse time to consult counsel and prepare evidence. Judges aim to be fair, but filing first can create the appearance of eagerness and lead to scrutiny of your motives and requests. Temporary orders issued at the start of a case might not favor the petitioner. The court could decide that children stay with the other parent or could deny requested support. Considering these risks helps you decide whether to be the first to file. The parent who files first can influence how children and the court perceive them. Filing may be seen as aggressive and could paint the petitioner in a negative light. Children may feel betrayed or confused, particularly if they were unaware of marital problems. Filing first can complicate custody disputes, prompting the respondent to fight harder and prolonging the process. Courts decide custody based on the best interests of the child, so any perception that one parent is trying to gain an unfair advantage can lead to greater scrutiny of custody requests. Providing clear evidence of involvement and stability helps support custody and child support arrangements. There are also social and emotional consequences. Initiating divorce means delivering life-changing news, which can cause stress, anxiety, and guilt. You may face blame or criticism from family members and friends. Filing first can change social dynamics. Friends may take sides or drift away. Gossip and speculation can increase stress, especially in small communities. Setting boundaries on social media, leaning on trusted people, and joining support groups can help manage stigma. A family law attorney can advise you on safe communication, documentation, and protective orders. Understanding these disadvantages helps individuals make informed decisions about whether to file for divorce first. Every divorce case is unique, so legal advice tailored to your situation is vital. Family Matters law firm PLLC offers guidance to people in San Antonio facing family law issues and can help you navigate the process. Family Matters law firm PLLC is at 926 Chulie Drive, San Antonio, Texas, 78216, United States. Phone 210-997-2914. You can speak with a lawyer or attorney who will explain your options and protect your rights throughout the divorce process.